Right now, millions of people are out there trying to figure out how to make money online, and most of them are falling for the exact same garbage: passive income scams, get-rich-quick nonsense, courses that teach you absolutely nothing. But here's the truth. There are real ways to build an online income, and nobody's just going to hand them to you, because these people make money whether you ever figure it out or not. So here are 10 ideas that actually work. Let's get into it. Number 1, sell digital products. This one's the easiest to wrap your head around. You create something once, a template, a checklist, a spreadsheet, a PDF guide, and you sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, pinging you at 2 a.m. Etsy alone did over $13 billion in sales last year, and a huge chunk of that was digital downloads. So find one thing you actually know how to do, package it up, and list it. That's genuinely it. Number 2, freelance writing. Companies are desperate for content right now: blog posts, newsletters, social media captions. And here's the thing, most business owners hate writing. So if you can string a few sentences together in clear English, someone out there will pay you for it. Start on Upwork or Fiverr, build a small portfolio, and within 6 months, you can realistically be charging £50 to £100 per article from your couch. Number 3, UGC Content Creation. Don't let the acronym scare you off. UGC just means user-generated content. Basically, brands pay you to film a short video using their product. And no, you don't need to be some influencer with millions of followers. Just a regular person who can make something that looks authentic. Companies will pay £100 to £500 per video for that. No face required, no followers required, just a phone and some basic editing skills. Number 4, online tutoring. If you know math, a language, an instrument, or honestly just about anything someone out there wants to learn, you can tutor online. Platforms like Preply and Tutorful connect you with students all over the world. People in the UK are paying £20 to £40 an hour for a good tutor. And that's not side hustle money. That's genuinely replace your salary money. Number 5, print on demand. Here's how this one works. You design a t-shirt or a mug, or honestly, just pay someone on Fiverr £5 to do it for you, and you upload it to a site like Redbubble or Printful. When someone buys it, the platform prints it, ships it, and even handles the returns. You never touch the product once. You just get paid the margin. It's a genuinely real business with zero upfront cost. Number 6, affiliate marketing. You recommend products you already use and actually love. Someone clicks your link. They buy it. You get a commission. That's the whole thing. Amazon's affiliate program pays up to 10%. Software companies often pay 20 to 30% recurring every single month for as long as that customer sticks around. A YouTube channel, a blog, a newsletter, just pick one platform and start building trust. The commissions will follow. Number 7, virtual assistant. Small business owners are absolutely drowning in admin right now. Emails, scheduling, data entry, customer service. And here's the thing, they don't need a full-time employee. They need someone for maybe 10 hours a week at £15 to £25 an hour. If you're organized and you can reply to emails without sounding like a robot, you're already qualified. The demand for VAs is genuinely exploding right now. Number 8, stock photography and video. Every website, every ad, every YouTube thumbnail needs images, and someone gets paid every single time one gets used. Upload your photos and short video clips to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. One good image can earn royalties for years. Just take photos of things people are actually searching for. Office scenes, money, nature, city skylines. Build a library. Let it quietly compound. Number 9, sell a service, then productize it. This one's honestly the smartest play. Start by offering a service. Editing videos, designing logos, managing social media, whatever it is. Do it for 5 clients. Figure out exactly what they all keep needing. Then package that into a done-for-you product. A template bundle, a course, a recurring subscription. And just like that, you go from trading your time for money to making money while you sleep. That's the real game here. Number 10, start a YouTube channel. Yes, I know, I'm on YouTube telling you to start a YouTube channel. But hear me out. YouTube pays creators over $30 billion a year. And not to celebrities, to regular people making videos about things they actually care about. Finance, gaming, cooking, tech reviews. You don't need a fancy camera. You need to be consistent for 1 year. Most people quit around month 2. Don't be most people. So here's the real question. One of these ideas could genuinely change your financial life. Not all 10, just one, the one you actually start. Not the one you watch a video about and forget by tomorrow, the one you actually take action on. Pick one, start today, because honestly, the only thing more expensive than trying and failing is never trying at all.